Comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, June 1st. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory as we kick things off for what could be an interesting morning here, coming off this vote late yesterday for the debt ceiling bill that gets passed from the House and is now going to be sent to the Senate to continue the process to being passed into law and get this thing done and behind us, hopefully. That's how the markets are holding up right now. S&P 0.14 to the upside, 0.02 for the Dow in negative territory. The NASDAQ 0.05. A bit of a choppy start overall. Crude back downside, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, back in negative territory. Overall, it's been about the NASDAQ all week long. That's the Qs right now. This is a daily chart. So 1, 2, 3 days in a row here, straight to the upside. S&P yesterday closed basically back at session highs. We're back to that 420 area once again for the SPY. Lucid on watch this morning, downside in a big way. It's been a choppy chart on the daily time frame. They're going to raise $3 billion through an equity offering, most of that coming from that Saudi PIF fund once again. CRM with earnings, as we were talking about late in the day yesterday, pointing to the possibility of slowing quarterly growth, and they also posted the slowest quarterly revenue growth since 2010. So a bit of a negative start here for Salesforce so far this morning. CrowdStrike on watch as well. Their forecast missing expectations. Nice looking daily chart for CRWD, however. We'll touch on that coming up. Macy's out this morning here, cutting their annual forecast. Downside for Macy's. That's also hurting the rest of the retailers. Target also with a downgrade this morning. So we'll touch on TGT and JWN as well under pressure. Let's go. More to touch on. CHWY, nice report. Huge move here pre-market to the upside for the pet supply retailer. We'll talk about this story from yesterday on Amazon. Not really doing a heck of a lot pre-market, but yeah, there was a huge walkout yesterday pointing to a lack of leadership on Amazon's part going forward. So maybe some uncertainty to come. Yep, more AI, C3 AI, downside after earnings. Their forecast, a bit of a problem. We'll talk about that. And NVIDIA in an interview this morning talking a little bit about TSMC and his confidence in manufacturing remaining in Taiwan. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code, bottom right corner right now. We're coming up at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.